चलिए आज हम जानते हैं इस लेक्चरेट में साई थानेकर ने जो प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं अपनी आने वाली एसएससी टेक एसएसबी इंटरव्यू की कैसे लेक्चर डिलीवर किया है। द टाइम हैज़ टेकन टू डिलीवर द लेक्चरेट इज़ 3 मिनट 5 सेकेंड्स एंड टॉपिक आपको बताया इंडो चाइना रिलेशन है, एंट्री है एसएससी टेक, ही इज़ अ रिपीटर। हम दोनों मिलके देखते हैं वीडियो को एंड तक, उसके बाद फीडबैक देते हैं। मस्ट वॉच द वीडियो टिल द एंड, दोनों देखते हैं।
Gentlemen, while studying bureaucracy and geopolitics, you might have came across the word Panchil Agreement. Yes, the rise of Panchil Agreement came outlined during the Indo-China relations. Good morning all of you. Today I will be delivering my lecture on the topic Indo-China relations. Understanding the significance, the challenges that we are dealing and what should be effective roadmap. Starting with the 1950, when we formally developed diplomatic relations with China. But we have multiple uncertainties and complex issues. Border standoff, 1962's Indo-China War, and further in the recent decades we have faced Doklam standoff, Aksai Chin issue, and also including issues at Ladakh areas. Now understanding the significance of relations, because both the countries are interdependent on economic ties. We import heavily semiconductors and other technological small devices, so we can build a better infrastructure. Also, China looks forward with India to strengthen the relations, countering US allies. But multiple initiatives like CPEC, BRI, those initiatives have hindered our relations. Understanding the closeness of China's, like China getting close to Pakistan and also Nepal, that is also raised many concerns. But gentlemen, I would like to emphasize India's stance is very much strong, and we are standing firmly, countering the misbalance. Like India clearly rejects China's deep roots through the region of Kashmir, that is Gilgit-Baltistan. India clearly states it is a sovereign right of India, and China and Pakistan is exploiting with help of CPEC project. Another strong standing is BRICS and getting closeness to Russia. That has developed our stance very much good in a leadership way. So at last I would like to conclude by emphasizing my viewpoints. Shanghai Cooperation Organization along with the BRICS, India gets the opportunity to build its leadership attributes by bringing like-minded countries to tackle string of pearls, BRI, and also those countries who are facing aggressions of China, especially the Taiwan and South Korea. So bringing these countries on the same page, that can give us a lot of power to channelize our energy as a global leader. And holding diplomatic talks, peaceful talks, multiple flag talks on the border areas, that can also prevent any future conflicts. It can also save a lot of lives on the border areas. So with the help of that, India's mindset of Vasudhaiva Kudumbakam, that is whole world is one family. Keeping this principle in mind, we can bring lot of harmony in the region and strengthen ourselves as a global leader. Thank you.
जब हम बात करते हैं स्टार्ट की, साई ने अच्छा स्टार्ट किया है, इट्स अ पावरफुल स्टार्ट, अ सेंसिबल स्टार्ट। और जब मेन कंटेंट की बात करते हैं, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो मैनेज्ड नाइसली, कवर्ड मैक्सिमम एस्पेक्ट ऑफ द टॉपिक, एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट द बॉडी लैंग्वेज एंड टाइम मैनेजमेंट एज वेल एज द कॉन्फिडेंस, दैट टू वाज ऑल्सो अलाइंड। तो ओवरऑल अगर हम बात करें लेक्चरेट की, इट्स अ रिकमेंडेबल लेक्चरेट, इट्स अ गुड लेक्चरेट। नाउ यू टेल व्हाट डिड यू फाइंड इन द लेक्चरेट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन।